Hey everyone, I'm Sumit from webappmate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you some brief information about the sales and catalog part of navigation panel. And here in the sales tab, firstly we will go to the orders page, and here is all the orders which was created on our web page. And we can see the order one by one, and we can also sort one by one. Here we have to select yes and select visible, so it will just shows all the orders, and we can export them as a CSV file or Excel document for the backup purposes. And we can choose the action from the here is the various actions, suppose cancel, hold, unhold, and right now I'm choosing hold. And we can submit it for the purposes by selecting the various orders. And we can also choose one by one, and on the price basis, here's the upside and here's the downside. Now we will just choose the invoices, and it will show us all the invoices of the orders which were placed. And here's all the invoices. We can once again sort them one by one and export them as a CSV file or Excel document for a backup purposes. Choose the action from here, and we can view one of them for the editing purpose or for changing the information. Now we will choose the shipments. It also have a same functionality and same layout. We can also view them for changing. Suppose just we can view them, and we can change the information here any required if. Now go back. Now we'll just go to the credit memo part, and here we can see all the information related to the credit memos parts, or which will orders which were just refunded. It has also some same functionality, and we can view them one by one for changing purposes. Now we will choose the transactions. It is also have some same functionality as others. Right now there is no transactions to see. Transaction has the same story. Billing agreement also has the same stories, terms and condition as required, and tax. Here is the all the information about the tax. We can manage the tax zones, import export tax rates, customer tax classes, product tax classes. And in a tax we will just in tax parts we will just gonna cover in our future tutorials. And here is the sales tab, which will contain all the information about the sales, orders, and invoices. Now we'll just move to the catalog parts. Now we'll just go to the catalog parts, and here is the manage products. Firstly we will move to the manage products, and in this part we can manage our products. Here we can manage our products. We can add products from here and choose the action from here, reviewing one by one. Here is all the product which was placed on our web. As we can review only 42 pages here, so we can select more pages by clicking on this. Suppose I'm just choosing 200 pages, and we can show the information of the 200 pages. And once again we can reduce the number of pages by clicking on above. As we can view all the products, and we can sort them by their name, type, attribute set, scope, price, and visibility and status. And we can choose the action from here: delete, change status, update attribute, etc. And suppose just we can choose any of the orders or the product. So suppose we are just choosing this, we can go on the page and add the information any required. If and here we can add the information about the products name, and we can write the description here, short description, scoop, url, color, etc. And I'm gonna cover this in a future tutorials, so just go back. And here we can cover the manage product. Now we're just gonna go on manage categories. So categories are the basically uh, these are the main categories of our web page: women's, man, decor, food, wellness, and equipment. And we can change their name and description about them if any required. And we can also add root categories and add subcategories of the categories by clicking on this. So we can change the any information if required. We can add the information about the products and categories, and we can add the root category and subcategory to these categories. Suppose we can add the root category to the women's category parts, and we can add the subcategory to that. So, and now just go to the attributes, and whenever we select the attributes, there is two option: manage attributes and manage attribute sets. So we are just choose the first option, manage attributes. And here we can add manage all the attributes. Suppose on the basis of color, caste, design, shape, and size. These are the various attributes of our products. We can add new attributes from here and search them by their specific information. And we're gonna cover this in a future tutorials. Now we can go to the manage attribute sets. And here we can manage our attribute sets. We can add new attributes here, search them one by one. We can select view the pages more than 20. Right now we are just on first page, and we can also cover this in a future tutorials. And here is all the information of that attribute set. And so we just go to our web page, and suppose we're just viewing the sarees of the women, and this is the fashion products, so it will just come in a fashion attribute category or fashion attributes. And here's the all the layout. We can view the various attributes of these products. Suppose we're just selecting the man's jacket, and here we can see all the attributes of a product: man's jacket, name, visibility, price, small images, custom designs, weight, color, shape, etc. And we can drag them from there to there and there to there. And we can also add new from there by clicking on this, and we can delete the selected group. And you can drag it from there to there and here to here. And after doing that, you have to save the attribute sets. And once again, one important thing: whenever you add the attributes of a particular product, it will just show you on the right side. It means that on that side, on that side. And now we are gonna choose the URL right management. and it will just shows all the URLs of our products, and we can review them one by one by clicking on this, and we can also edit the information from here. And we if we want to add the new URL, then we can just click on this and we can easily add the new URL. We can view more than 20 pages from here by selecting on this. We just view first pages, and there's more than 975 pages, 55 pages, sorry. Now we'll just go to the search terms, and here's the all the search items which was searched on our website, and how much time it was searched. There is the number of uses and the result found. Suppose just we are just searching on our web pages for something. um, we can search for various items from by clicking on this. Suppose just anything we will just gonna search here, it will just show on our admin panel, and how much time we have just searched, it will return on this side, and the result which is found, it will result on that side. Anything we will just gonna search here, it will just show there, and we can edit the information from here too. And this way we can manage our the search terms, and the particular item which was searched, how much time, it will just locate on this side, and the result found, it will result on display on this side. Now we'll just go on the reviews and ratings, customer reviews, and we'll just go on a pending reviews, and here we can add the reviews. Suppose just by clicking on the reviews, and in this way we can submit our reviews. Suppose we're just giving 2 star, 3 star, 2 stars. Nickname, here we can add the nickname. Summary of your reviews, just write test and test 1, and you can submit review by clicking on this. And by the way, you have to fill the nickname too, and suppose we are just writing something, test. Now you can submit this. Now it will just now it will just shows that your review has been accepted for the moderation. And now you can just go to the pending reviews, and here is the information about the reviews we have just placed: test 1, cast. And we can add the information for this review too, and here we can edit our reviews, anything which we want. Suppose we can choose the action from delete or update status, and we can edit too if we want. Suppose just we want to add the information, we have to click on this, and we can choose the ratings from there. We can give them any kind of ratings. Of suppose we want to 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, and we have to approve it from here. We can approve, pending, or not approve, anything. We can write the nickname too, and anything which we want to show on our website for the reviews. So we can do anything related to reviews and pendings, and there is no need to worry about this. And one important thing, that after changing the reviews, we have to save them for the customer so that they can saw on our website. And I'm gonna give you some information about the tags in upcoming videos or the up next video. So once again, it's Sumit from webappmate, and thank you for watching this video.